So the Galaxy S10 has surfaced a couple of price leaks lately, and at this point we know the exact level these devices would mark. Again, the S10 prices have been leaked, and this time it's all related to the Netherlands market. According to the leaker, the Galaxy S10e commences this range with a price tag of €749, then the S10 acquires second spot with the base variant priced at €899, and last but not the least, the base variant of S10 Plus is priced at €999, which goes up to €1499 for the maxed out version. Look, before you come to any conclusion, these prices are for Netherlands that will be a lot similar to other European countries. But when it comes to other markets like United States, direct currency conversion doesn't work, as it has to deal with local tax and other considerations that are obviously different in different regions. Right now, I can just assure you that the base variant of Galaxy S10 Plus will not be priced over $999, so if you want to have a rough idea of what the pricing would be, just look at these figures in dollars. The S10 family has got the first official look with the help of these renders. In simple words, these renders belong to the official ones made by Samsung, and as you can see, these look exactly the way the rumors have suggested. We also have the launch colors for European market that include white, black, green, with blue might be launched at some later stage. The colors do admire a different finish that again confirm the previous reports. The Galaxy S10e features a flat display, while the other two variants admire a curved design. The most important change that Samsung made this time is that dual camera setup for S10e, as any phone at this range should come with proper implementation just because of competition and ultimately the user experience. Samsung is working on the same aspect, and considering these elements, the company has improved the camera experience. According to this user manual of Galaxy S10, the camera present on this device will combine software and hardware capabilities to give some of the great shots. Features like tracking AF and wide selfie mode are going to be a part of this story. You'll also have this gesture and a couple of shooting modes. In addition to this, the Galaxy S10 Plus is definitely going to pack a 4100 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, 1 TB of internal storage, and at the top of this insane specification, the device is just 7.8mm thick. So I totally appreciate this approach, as a flash drive is obviously a better solution when compared to a micro SD card. I mean, this chip is 10 times faster than a micro SD card according to Samsung. If you are involved in Netflix, 4K videos, or maybe games, this thing is made for you. A lot of users demand an uninterrupted viewing experience on their smartphone that cannot be achieved through a notch. And to eliminate the need of this thing, mobile companies have started experimenting with the dual screen design and the motorized camera tech. I personally don't like this approach, but a lot of people do. And keeping that in mind, Samsung is working on the similar implementation. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy A90 will be Samsung's first pop-up camera smartphone. It sounds like a great strategy, as this particular smartphone will be a mid-range device and there's a good demand for these smartphones. This technology is stable enough to even survive drops and weight, but at the same time, it sacrifices water and dust resistance. All in all, the Galaxy A90 is a solid statement by Samsung against the Chinese manufacturers. And yeah, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.